This is a review for the Jonathan Y 52-inch ceiling fan. Overall, it's a very nice fan. It does put out quite a bit of air on the down to cool my office. The office is about 120 square feet. The ceiling fan does come with a nice remote that you can turn the light on with, and you've got 3 speeds for the fan itself, and I'll go through those each as the video goes. It also has a timer on the remote for 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8 hours. So I'll turn on the light. So there's the light. The purpose of getting the ceiling fan was to get more light in my office because the stained glass lamp that I had wasn't providing enough light. So even though the camera doesn't show the amount of light that's in here, it was kind of disappointing with the amount of light that these bulbs projected, or illuminated, I should say. Because they're 40-watt bulbs, there's 3 40-watt bulbs, so I will have to get brighter bulbs to replace these current ones. Now let's go through the settings for this fan. Again, this is the Jonathan Y 52-inch ceiling fan, and here's low. So we're putting it on low. And of course, it always starts out fast and then starts to slow down. And you see in the pictures that accompany this video, the side of the fan, the way it looks. So that's low. This is medium. Again, this is probably the setting I'll have it on mostly. Provides a nice cool down to my office. And as you can see, there's no wobble with the fan, meaning it's balanced very well. When I press high, you see a very slight wobble. This does come with a balancing kit, but I didn't want to spend the hours balancing this fan. Like I said, I'll probably keep it at the medium level. I'll put it back down to low. It does slow down quickly, but when you turn it to stop, it takes a long time for the blades to actually stop, which is really nice. I'm no expert on ceiling fans, but that tells me it's well balanced. And so I hope you enjoyed my review of the Jonathan Y 52-inch ceiling fan. Thank you.